Good morning, Forex family. How was your weekend? This is Sidney Guajardo coming to you live from San Antonio, Texas, and we are the Trading Places. All right, let's go look for some trades. I kind of looked this morning. There's a few trades I'm interested in. They're in retracement right now. Gold still looks like it's going on a downtrend. Let me erase this. Put some new trend lines. Okay. Let's see here. I'll just put a direction which way the trade's going. I don't like getting the indicators involved when it comes to gold or the indices. Excuse me. All right, let's right there. Okay. Let's look at the sorry about that, US 30. This one's a little tough here. I don't know if it's starting to rally back or this is just retracement, but this is definitely going short. Well, let's put this, the overall trend is short. And US 30 can bounce back in a hurry. Now, with a recent outbreak of some corona cases that have been coming out, US 30 will probably continue to go short for a while. That's just the direction it's going in today. Okay, euro dollar. Pardon me. Short if indicators stay, and boy, it's been going short. So we'll rally back here shortly. So let's see here. Let's put our timestamp. Let's put that there. Doesn't look like it has any agreement right now. It's a general direction of going short here. Right? Definitely looks like it has that direction on a longer scale. So I'm just going to put short if indicators stay. So we'll know something more here shortly when the U.S. session opens. Monday's typically not a day with a bunch of volume or movement, but you never know. A couple of weeks ago, the Tuesday after the Memorial Day holiday was typically the Monday, and we had a lot of movement during the Euro session, or the London session. So just never know. So let's take a look at that. Short if indicators stay. It's already mid-month. Congratulations, you made it. We're about 6 days away from the beginning of summer. Felt like we're in the beginning of summer a month ago. It's so hot outside here in San Antonio. All right, let's look at dollar yen. Okay. So this one's a little tough. There's no agreement. So what we'll do is we'll put we'll not put a direction because there is none. But this could be right here a retracement of what's going to happen. So I'm just going to put no agreement. Let's wait for the, put this over here. Wait for a trade to develop. And at this point, it could be anywhere. We're in the middle, kind of in the middle. We're not asking to create new lows, and we're not asking to create new highs. We're in the middle, so this could be an upward trend right here. It could be the start of a new trend. You never know. I'll put a question mark there, so it's we're asking the question, and then our overall direction is short. So I'll just put overall direction. I'm going to start being a little more detailed of what I see. So when we do the training, like tonight, we can see, oh look, this is what we saw. This is what the overall trend is, and if we see that this trend continues, then we called it. It's a new trend. So we'll start to figure that out when we start putting more notes. So 1 second, I got an alert here. Yeah, so it's showing that the euro dollar is going back and forth. It's waffling back and forth. It's just kind of like this is what we call like an organic consolidation. It's not really put there by. It naturally got into consolidation versus the institutional lenders or institutional traders can fabricate consolidation to take out all retail traders. That's where they get their money from. So it's us against them. But anyway, that's a story for another day. Let's look at this one, Euro JPY. Let's put it where we are here. So the general, I'm going to do the same thing here. Could this be the beginning of a new trend right here? And we could just put the overall trend this way. Overall is short. So what do we do here? So when we have this start of the new trend, it was kind of in consolidation. It ended up, if this is consolidation, I'm going to put, I'm going to use a rectangle one on this one. If this is consolidation right here, put another text here. If this is consolidation, wait for direction change. So we'll see. Or this could be retracement from here. It's all based on volume. There you go. All right, so we have a lot of stuff setting up. It's just not ready yet, which is typical for a Monday. So let's check this here real quick. kind of been, I mean, this could, let me just erase all this here. Kind of a slow Monday morning, things in retracement, things getting ready to set up for sure. Let's put our stamp timeline here. This looks like it's, I don't know, it's so far down it could go up, but could this be the start of a new trend here? Let me see. Let's see. No, definitely this is going down. It retraced here, it's coming back down. So let's see what this has to offer. We shall see. There hasn't been a lot of movement in the last 2 days. 2 days of trading. Actually, it goes back to, geez, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe since Thursday, it's been heading in a downward direction. There's been some long candles here, but could this be? I don't know. Who knows? We need some volume to get some clarity in here. So I'm going to call this no agreement. All right, let's go to pound dollar. This is also no agreement. It retraced right after here. It came down. This looks very simple, very similar to, no, it's just retracement. This is very much like consolidation right here, but let's erase all this. This really looks like consolidation here. You know, when I do my consolidation tools, erase that. I have different ones. I have the ellipse tool, this one here, and I also have the rectangle one. It's kind of like some days you feel like a nut, like that. So let's put this as no agreement. All right, let's figure this out. All right, let's look at dollar Swiss. There's no agreement on this one. It looks like it's bouncing back, but it's not quite there yet. Okay, let's take a look. Take a look. This is definitely no agreement, but there are signs of going long. Okay, let's take a look at that one. Okay, let's look at pound Swiss. Well, this is just one long consolidation here. If you look at it, it all depends on how you look at it. You know, it's the angle of the dangle. Okay, let's look at this here. Mm. This consolidation could be the form of a new trend. It's been going. Let's hold on. This side here was definitely short. Now this thing could it had a big retracement here, like it bounced off this support line here. It's been bouncing ever since. It gained some momentum that kind of fell back in here. I would watch for a long signal here. Put that in there. Watch for long signals. That's what I would do. I mean, if I had to make a decision, I'd probably take it long, but that's just a hunch. There's no agreement, so we'll see. Since a lot of these, let me check something else real quick. Pound Swiss. Let's look at Aussie dollar yen. Give me 1 second here. Okay, here. Aussie dollar yen. There's going to be some trades today, but I'm going to take more notes than anything else. Make some room here. I'm just going to put no agreement. I'm going to put this here like I did on the other one. Is this a new trend? And just the overall direction is short. Now, just because just because you're in the overall direction and you just leave it alone, this little retracement here can really freak you out. I mean, this, if you're in it, let's say you got in right here, or even right here, it goes this far down, you barely made any money, and then all of a sudden it just takes out your account. So this could be very scary. That's why you have to make sure that the 60-minute candle is good, but I also like using the 480 to verify trend. You just have to do it. Sometimes even the 1-day candle, just to verify. 1 second here. So I'm going to put here no agreement. You know, it's the same for a lot of these trades we're looking for. It shows it's in consolidation. It's very hard to tell. So we'll get some volume in here. We'll make some sense of all this. Once all this happens, it may be one of those times where we stay in consolidation for a couple days, not knowing what's. There's been some spikes with the corona. Is it because of spikes because of the riots? Who knows? But we will continue on with this game of Jumanji that we're experiencing. So, but anyway, let's keep an eye on things today. There's some political stuff going on today, important things going on. I'll let you figure all that out in the news. I don't like to discuss politics here, but politics has a lot to do with this because it definitely affects Forex. But guys, I appreciate you hopping on today. I know it was kind of short, but there's not a lot going on, and we'll continue to give you updates on the VIP channel on things that we see. So anyway, all right, it's kind of a weird place right now that we're living in. So just give your family and friends a big old hug. Love the one you're with. You know. Dance who the one you brought to the dance. I mean, continue to dance who you brung. You know, it's a saying. I think I messed it up. But anyway, you know, I really feel that we're put on this planet to take care of people that can't take care of themselves. So please continue that. Continue doing the good work, even when no one is watching. And same channel tonight at 6 p.m. We'll see you after a while. Thanks. Bye-bye.